So, as it stands, this is the situation surrounding the Reggae Girlz, right? Uh, I pretty much. All right. So, I don't even know how to start saying this one, but we have seen this already. Um, we have seen this story. We have seen this movie already. This is not nothing new. It's not the first we're seeing this movie. We have watched it already. We've watched it numerous times. We have put the movie on repeat over and over again. All right, so credits to the observer for the video footage. Welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me, people. If you're here for the first time, please do hit that subscribe button. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, make sure you do the right thing in hitting that like button. Now, where should I start this one? The Reggae Girlz are left stranded again in regards to the Jamaican team leaving and being left stranded at the airport. Now, they are having issues, as you can see, according to the Observer. Cash-strapped Reggae Girlz reportedly unable to clear equipment at Houston Airport. Now, the Reggae Girlz and their coaching staff are reportedly unable to clear their equipment at George Bush Intercontinental Houston Airport due to lack of funds at midday for a 1 p.m. connecting flight to Miami. The Reggae Girlz and staff are distraught over what they say is a reoccurring case. So it is nothing new, people. It is nothing new. That is the reason I said we have seen this movie already. We have participated in this movie already. Just a few months ago in Suriname, we saw this movie. We saw it in Suriname just a few months ago. And the sad part is this, right? We have the president of the Football Association about 2 days ago seeking credit for the work that has been done the Reggae Girlz qualification to the World Cup. Seeking credit. Now, this is the point in time where credit is given. This is how credit is given, by your actions and the work that you do. You don't get credit just because you turn up and said you want credit for that. That's not how it goes. The girls qualified for the Olympics they gave themselves another opportunity to qualify for the Olympics last night. The game before that, they played against Canada. They lost. But just a week ago, these girls qualified for the World Cup. History, back to back. Historic. Historic. And it takes specifically a picture by Bunny Shaw to even trigger everything off. The captain. Where have we seen that before? Where the captain or the top hierarchy of the players really coming together. They said, okay, we can't continue like this. Just the same with the Reggae Boyz. So this is not nothing new. As I said, we have seen this movie already. And it's consistently repeating. Same movie, same, what should I put it? Same, the thing they call like the booklet thing, when they write out the same writing, same scripts, everything is the same. It's just happening over and over again. And all points straight to the foot of the president. Yeah, he might not be responsible for many of the things, but guess what? You are the one who is running the organization. And if the organization is not running properly, you are the one who should be blamed. Because all in hell, you are to be held accountable for everything that runs. If a pin drop in the organization, it's your fault. It's your fault. That's how it is, and that's what leadership role entails. When I was in the army, if I'm in control of 7, 9, or 10 soldiers, if one of those soldiers didn't get it right, I am at fault. And then now it goes straight up to the top ladder, to my commanding officer, to my brigade commander. It goes straight up the top, and they are responsible. So you have to take responsibility for the things that are happening right now. So you want credit when things look good, but I do believe that people don't want things when things don't look good. They don't want to be highlighted when things look bad. They don't want things to be highlighted. So they say, hey, you don't say that. Please don't say that. Don't highlight this. We don't need to say that. But when things are good, hey, we're here, and you should not listen to what people are saying because we are all working together. Saying that to say this, people. The Reggae Girlz are left stranded in the airport because of lack of funds. People are trying to get together. I'm not sure what all this is going to be solved. I'm really not sure. But it's most definitely a very sad situation, and we have seen it happen already. I hope to see that it sorted out as quickly as possible. I really do hope that it sorts out as quickly as possible, because time and time again, we've seen it. We've seen it happen over and over again, people. And it's consistently happening. Mr. President, you need to fix up your organization. Things are not going good. You need to fix up. What was the arrangement? What are the arrangements? Because I'm sure that they arrive with all that luggage. So what is the arrangement to come back at home with the same sets of luggage? These are the questions that should be asked. And oh boy, I'm gonna have to do a stream on this to go in a little bit more details. It's just surprising that it's surprising that the girls are now, because normally the Reggae Girlz are more reserved. The Reggae Boyz will leak information, but the Reggae Girlz are very reserved. And if you're seeing that the Reggae Boyz and the Reggae Girlz are doing the same things now in regards to highlighting the incompetence of the JFF, it means that both parties want to see a change. What's the change? I don't know. You can ask them. But I'm sure they are advocating for a change. I am sure about that. This is a combined effort. Twice we've seen it. And we've seen it numerous times this year in regards to what the boys are highlighting. Numerous times. Consistently they're highlighting it. But I believe this is one of the first I've seen the Reggae Girlz highlighting this these types of incidents. They normally, the Reggae Girlz are very reserved, as I said, consistently. We've seen it on the 17, on the 20 boys, the senior boys. No, we're seeing it with the senior girls. Anyways, people, thank you very much for tuning in. Disappointing, very, very disappointing and disheartening to see this happening again to the girls who just qualified. We're supposed to be enjoying the moment, enjoying ourselves, celebrating the Reggae Girlz because of the achievement that they have gotten. It's bad. It's really, really bad, people. I'm hoping that you guys see the major problem that we're having now, and why the Jamaican football cannot progress. Time and time again, we've seen it. Anyways, people, big up. Thank you very much for tuning in. Until next time, we're out. Boom.
Yeah.